Huwag matakot na ipakita ang iyong pagmamahal at kabaitan kahit nasosobrahan daw ito. Para sa mabungang buhay tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. In a world where everyone tries to be cool or logical, being deeply sincere can feel embarrassing. When Mary poured expensive perfume on Jesus' feet, some people laughed at her and said she was wasting money. We often feel this fear of being too much when we show our true passions or our love for God. People might criticize us, and we say we are being impractical or extra. But Jesus defended Mary because her gift come from a place of pure love. It teaches us that doing something beautiful for others is never a waste of time or money. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, nawa kami ay maging matapang na isulong ang tama kahit sa gitna ng pagdududa ng iba. Amen.